Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by clicking on the loop at the bottom left corner and typing in alarm. Then access Alarms and Clocks app. Following that, select Alarm section at the top left corner, and to create a new one, click on this little plus at the bottom right corner. Now set up an hour. When you're ready, click on Alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then click on Repeats and pick days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. In order to go back, click on this area. Now click on Sound. Pick the best melody for this incoming alarm. And last but not least, select snooze time. Over here you can disable snooze completely or click on one of the available options, like 1 hour. When you're done, click on this icon next to X at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on the blue sweater next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to edit your alarm, you can click on it, make your changes, and save them by clicking on the same icon as before. In order to delete it, click on it and this time tap on Bin at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!